This is called cold organising.
What did... Oh.
Cold,
this has freezer, fridge?
It has to do with the fridge. This is called cold organising. Getting your kids' lunches together, even your own lunch, and getting them out of the house easily and quickly in the morning can be achieved by a thing I call cold organising. Grab 4, I don't want to drop these, 4 containers and put them in the refrigerator. In each of these containers, you put a different item of food, whether it's sandwiches, vegetables, drinks, snacks. And then of a morning, your child can go to the fridge.
Pack their lunch. Oh, you made me a little bag.
A little lunch bag.
You also made me look like a potato with no hair.
So here's the idea. Look, don't do the work yourself. Set up a system so that your kids can easily grab items from the fridge.
Well, I like the theme that the kids are having to take more responsibility.
And then
plan their wardrobe for the week. Do their chores. Mark the chart. Pack your lunch.
That's exactly it.
Can we get them to do the laundry for me?
Look, I honestly think that by the age of 7 or 8, it's not unreasonable to expect kids to do a load of washing. Like, set a little step stool in front of the machine.
Right.
If kids can use an iPad, they can push a button on the washing.
That's right. If they can swipe, they can push.
So, again, kind of simple. Very simple.